Art with Miss Co.
Hey guys, Miss Co here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw your very own unicorn. If you guys want to learn how to do this, then go ahead and keep watching. Materials you need: paper, pencil, eraser, black marker, and something to color with. I'll be using color pencil. Let's get started. So unicorns could be pretty tricky to draw, but let's break it down into some shapes. First, for the head, we're going to make an oval. For the neck, we're going to make two curved lines. For the body, we're going to make a large oval. And this oval might be a little bit too big, but don't worry, we can fix that later. For the legs, we're going to break it down into two shapes. First, we're going to make an oval, and then another oval. Repeat that 3 more times. For the face, I'm going to kind of slim this out. I'm going to make it curve towards the bottom of where the nose is going to be. Connect my line to my neck. Then connect my neck to the body. Like I said, I think the oval I made at first was looking a little bit too pudgy, so I'm going to just go ahead and make an arch going down and then going up around that. It's going to kind of look like a sideways S. Connect the joints of the leg. Do the same thing on the other legs. I think for the belly, I'm just going to kind of trim it down, make it a bit smaller, and erase the old line. For my tail, I'm going to make a backwards S, and that's just going to be by making a curved line and then another one going down. Make a smile line and connect the two. Now for the mane, I'm just going to make a bunch of wavy lines. And you can make them randomly or you can make them like mine, it's up to you. And I'm just going to go down the neck. And I'll alternate every once in a while. For the ears, I'm just going to make kind of like a lemon football shape and leave the end open, and a skinny triangle for the horn. I'm going to make my unicorn with its eyes closed. I'm just going to do that by making a smile line and drawing some vertical lines going down from it. And don't forget the nose, which is going to be a little dot. And of course a smile for our unicorn. I'm going to add a little circle for the blush. And I'm going to continue off the mane by making those wavy lines once again. Make sure to erase any old lines that you have so you don't get confused when we're outlining later. I'm going to draw the hooves here now, and I'm just going to do this by making a trapezoid shape. Time for the wings. I always like to start the wings off by doing kind of a swirl and then going up, down, and then making some really skinny vertical arches and connect it back to the swirl later. Repeat on the other side, except this time we're not going to start with a swirl. Instead, we're just going to kind of start off with those long vertical arches. To decorate my unicorn, I'm just going to make some little cute stars and hearts and pearls in her mane. And this is totally up to you on what you would like to do. Let's outline. Erase all of your pencil lines. I decided for the background I want to make a rainbow and clouds, so I'm just going to make these wavy lines, and I'm going to repeat it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and it's going to go all the way through my image, all the way through my paper. Then I'm going to make some puffy clouds. As well as the moon. And then I'm going to outline. Let's color. And there you have it. Here's your very own majestical unicorn. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to send me a picture of your work when you guys finish. Thanks, and make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!